Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. We are going now to review the account of one of our traders, Kennard. Kennard joined our funded trader program last September on the 8th, and he hit his first 10% target on the 21st of December. So first of all, congratulations, Kennard, on your first target. And now let's have a look at the equity line to see the journey with us, how it changed and how it has been for him. So from the equity line, we can actually see few ups and downs throughout the period. In fact, we can see how here, in the beginning of October, he was up by almost 4% on his account, and then something happened and he was down by 5% on his account. Then he managed to recover his losses and going back to the initial account balance by the end of October. Then again, he registered some losses. He was down 6% on his account. But then we can see how from mid-November, from the 16th of November, it just went slowly, one way up toward his first 10% target on the 21st of December. Okay, let's have a look at the daily the daily return, the average daily return, 0.09%. A monthly return of 2.75% with an overall floating drawdown of 9.62%. Okay, from the advanced statistics, we can see how Kennard only took 134 trades positions with a profitability rate of 39%. We can see an average win of 28 pips and an average loss of only 13 pips, which is really good, meaning when he wins far more than when he loses his positions. From best and worst trade, let's have a look. We can see his best trade was on the 21st of December, the day he hit his 10% target. He gained $840, and on the 23rd of September he lost $352. So I think the best trade is the same one in terms of dollars and pips, because we can see how on the 21st of December he also gained 168 pips. And also for the worst trade, on the 23rd of September, he lost 70 pips. Let's have a look at the summary. That's interesting. He only traded 3 pairs. Aussie dollar, pound dollar, and dollar yen. The most profitable for him was the pound dollar. He gained 429 pips on this pair, gaining in terms of profits $1,744. But with the other 2 pairs, he had 4 losing trades. We can see here 2 positions on the Aussie US dollar, he lost $140, and with the other 2 positions on the dollar yen, he lost $94. But on average, we can see how we can say that he mainly almost traded the pound dollar. Okay, let's have a look at the average trade length, 2 hours and 44 minutes. So definitely, if we don't want to define him as a scalper, definitely intraday. And yes, we can see how the majority of his positions were held for maximum almost 11 hours, and just few of them were held for longer, no more than 1 day. And what is nice to mention here is that among the positions that he held for longer than 11 hours, only 1 position was a negative one. So very good, very well done. This is always something good to remember, to cut the losing position short. Let's have a look at the monthly gain. So in September, he was down on his account overall by 1.63%. Then he went up 2.73% during October. November he lost it again. It was down by 2.32% and up of more than 11% in December. And this is actually the translation of the ups and downs that we saw here in this equity line. But overall, very well done, Kennard, especially for cutting your losing trades really short, really quickly, only and on average just 13 pips. And we look forward to do the second review for your account.